Привет! Today we're going to take adjectives. We use adjectives to describe things like big, small, black, red. We also use them to make compliments. You have beautiful eyes, you're beautiful, you're smart, handsome, and stuff like that. Okay, I just want you to take a look first in English equivalent of adjective. Look, he, she, it, they, different gender, same adjective. So smart, 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 smart. It's the same for girl, boy, they, it, same adjective. Look in Russian. What changes? Something stays the same, but something changes with the gender. Okay, so steam is the same, and the ending is changing. So the key, again, is the ending. If it's a masculine, it's gonna be masculine ending. If it's a feminine, feminine ending. Neutral, neutral ending. Plural, plural ending. So now we're going to split this. So this is your endings. This one is masculine ending. This one is feminine ending, neutral, and plural. Knowing those, it will be easy to alter, to change any adjective to your sentence. By the way, in dictionary, adjectives always in masculine gender. So it's okay if you make compliment to a guy, but if you try to describe feminine word or give compliment to a woman, you need to change it to this ending, as well as if it's plural, you need to change it. Okay, so we take away this, take this away. Let's take another adjective, let's say красивый, beautiful. Красивый. So this is word beautiful. I took it from a dictionary. It's always in masculine gender there. We don't need this ending here, because we're gonna change it. All we need to take from here is the steam. And the steam is красив. Same here. Красив. Same here. Красив. Same here. Красив. So now it's easy, they all match together. If we describe a guy, he's beautiful, we say он красивый, masculine, masculine. If we describe a girl, we say she's beautiful, we would say она красивая, feminine, feminine. If we describe, let's say, море, it's a neutral gender, sea is beautiful, оно красивое. And if we describe people, they, они красивые. I'm gonna say it and you just try to catch the ending. Красивый, красивая, красивое, красивые. Красивый, красивая, красивое, красивые. Okay. And another thing, that is a little magic trick. If you just describe in general, you don't want it to refer to any gender, girl or boy. You just say it's beautiful. Sometimes you see the forest. Oh, it's beautiful. You don't need to think about gender. You just put O on the end. Красиво. That's it. you would say это красиво, this is beautiful, красиво. So if you don't describe anything in particular, you just use short adjective. So just take a stem, put O on the end and say красиво. Not thinking too much. Okay, I would also like to show you other endings. So we have E for masculine. We also have E and OI for masculine. Why so many? This one and this one, they're very similar. And we use E instead of E because it's just easy to say. Let's say маленький, which is small. Because of the K sound here, it's not easy to say this one, like маленький, like it's really hard. So you just substitute this one with this one. That's it to it. Маленький. That's why it's two different endings. And also, ой is also masculine ending, like большой, big, большой. So sometimes we have this ending and sometimes this one, большой. There is not so much words with this ending here. Okay, so this is masculine ending. Feminine ending ая, so this one is feminine. Like большая, let's say big, большая. We'll take the stem here, большая, big. There is another feminine ending, я. It's not that often, but nevertheless there is a couple of adjectives I put here. Синяя, передняя, замужняя девушка, married girl, домашняя, зимняя, winter, зимняя одежда, for example, одежда, clothes, feminine gender, so we can use зимняя or летняя, summer clothes. Хорошо? So яя also feminine gender adjective. This is neutral here, so sometimes it's ое, sometimes it's ее. Same, большое, хорошее. So it can be ое, can be ее. This is plural. Also two ending умные, большие. So the same here, they sound similar, almost the same. The E after the sound here, so two ending for plurals. Okay, let's sum up everything. Masculine gender, ending E or oi. Three endings. Neutral gender, ending oye or yeye. Feminine gender, ending aya. And plural ending iye or iye. Two endings. Done. I would like you to make some observation here. Everything here makes sense. This one is masculine, okay? Чай зеленый, green tea. There is something similar about nouns and adjectives. Why they match together, why they attract each other. Look, they have the same letters. You see, чай зеленый. This one have different letters, but nevertheless, this one is masculine and this one is masculine sound. Like consonant and U, responsible for masculine gender, these letters. So it's not a surprise that they match together. The same with feminine here. Feminine, and look what you see here. are and ya, this both ending that responsible for feminine gender, so it's not a surprise they all here. They match together. The same with машина большая, big car. Feminine gender, are and ya responsible for feminine gender, these two letters. Okay, same with neutral gender here. We have letter ye, which is responsible for neutral gender. We can find it here. They're both together. So this one neutral ending, okay. So море большое. Sea is big, большое, big. Свежее. Now you can see there is two ye here. Not oye, but ye. Not a surprise, we have ye here, double ye here. Why it's here? The thing with everything, just easier to say. If you try to say o after же, it will свежее. It's not so easy as if you put ye here, свежее. Quickly, easier to say. That's it. So, two ending in neutral gender. Okay, now plurals. Цветы. Цветы, flowers. We see the ending here, which indicate that it's plural, more than one. We can find this one here as well. Зеленые. Flowers, green flowers. So this is adjectives that describe our flowers, that they are green. Цветы, зеленые. So be here, match together, perfect. Деньги большие, big money. So we see the E letter, which is responsible for plurals, and we see the E ending here, which signify plural. Now they match together. Now you can see that everything makes sense. Like they're not just random thing that's made to torture you, you know what I mean? It just, they all flow together. Деньги большие, big money. Okay, so these two endings which are responsible for plurals in adjectives when you describe things. I want to show you a little trick quickly. Машина большая, big car. How to make question? In Russian, it's very easy to make questions. All you need to do is just put the question mark. This is a question. No extra words like in English, they're like are, you, do you, no, forget about this. Машина большая, without the question affirmative, you're happy. With the question mark, it's a question. So all you need to do is just make an intonation of curiosity. And I would say, машина большая? This is a question.
Хорошо, now I see you in practice adjective with Russian music video tutorial when we're gonna take sentence from the famous loved Russian songs. We're gonna understand why it's like this and gonna hear it in the song. It's very entertaining, fun, and almost you feel like you're not learning anything, but you actually do learning a lot of stuff from the music. Okay, I'll see you there, guys, and we're gonna listen to the music, we're gonna sing it. It's gonna be fun. See you there. Пока-пока.